Good morning, children. So let's start our science class. In the previous classes, we had done the pre-question answers of pollution and conservation. Rishita, mute your mic. Short question answers of pollution and conservation. Today we are going to do the fourth question. The fourth question says, what do you mean by land pollution? What do you mean by land pollution? Write the answer. Question with black pen, answer with blue pen. Addition of, write the answer, addition of ADDITION. Addition of harmful substances. Addition of harmful substances to TO, land and soil. Addition of harmful substances to land and soil is called land pollution. Full stop. Addition of harmful substances to land and soil is called land pollution. Full stop. Throwing waste, THROWING, THROWING, throwing waste, WASTE, waste. Throwing waste material, throwing waste material like, throwing waste material like food waste, food waste, comma, throwing waste material like food waste, comma, plastic, comma, throwing waste material like food waste, comma, plastic, comma, aluminium cans, ALUMINUM, ALUMINUM, aluminium cans, 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 etc. is a major cause, is a major, MAJOR, is a major cause, CAUSE, cause of land pollution, cause of land pollution. Full stop. Cause of, CAUSE, cause of land pollution. I'm repeating the whole answer. Addition of harmful substances to land and soil is called land pollution. Full stop. Throwing waste materials like food waste, plastic, aluminium cans, etc. is a major cause of land pollution. Done? Copy next question with black pen. What are renewable resources? Copy next question with black pen. What are renewable resources? start the answer. Renewable resources are renewable resources are those resources. Renewable resources are those resources that that can be replaced that can be replaced as they are as they are constantly replaced can be replaced replaced can be replaced as they are constantly 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 being 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 constantly being used up constantly being used up full stop air comma water air comma water comma soil air comma water comma soil comma forests comma animals etc are renewable resources. Air, comma, water, comma, soil, comma, forest and animals, etc. are renewable resources. Done? Next question. Name any two things that cause water pollution. Next question is name any two things that cause water pollution. Yes. Yes, Anya. What you are asking, Hania? Hania, what are you asking? Etc. are renewable resources. Next answer. The answer will start from the question itself. Two things, two things that causes, two things that causes water pollution. Two things that causes water pollution are point number one, wastewater from factories. Point number one, wastewater, waste, water from factories. Factories. Wastewater from factories. Number 2, throwing. Throwing. Throwing solid waste. Throwing solid wastes. S will be there. In water. Throwing solid wastes in water. Done? Copy next question. What are the 3 R's of Manvi? Please don't talk useless things in between. What are the 3 R's of waste management? What are the 3 R's of waste management? And R will be written in capital. Which third point? 2 points are there. Two things that cause water pollution. 2 points we have written. Then, what are the 3 R's of waste management? Answer. The 3 R's. The 3 R's are, you know how to write in capital. The 3 R's of waste management are. The 3 R's of waste management are: number 1, reduce. REDUCE, reduce. Number 2, reuse. REUSE, reuse. Number 3, recycle. RECYCLE. RECYCLE, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Alright? Copy the last short question. Name one disease each that is caused by air and water pollution. Copy the last question quickly. Short answer question last. Name one disease each that is caused by air and water pollution. What? Arhan? I can't hear Arhan. Rest of you mute your mic. Yes, Arhan, what are you saying? Repeat answer number 7. Okay. The 3 R's of waste management are. The 3 R's of waste management are: number 1, reduce. REDUCE, reduce. Number 2, reuse. REUSE, reuse. And number 3, recycle. 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 Reduce, reuse, recycle. Now done? Okay. Now the last answer. Air pollution can cause air pollution can cause asthma. Air pollution can cause asthma. ASTHAMA. ASTHAMA. Air pollution can cause asthma. And water pollution and water pollution can cause and water pollution can cause cholera. 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 I'm repeating. Air pollution can cause asthma. 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 And water pollution can cause cholera. CHOLERA. Clear? So we have done all short answers of science.